The Daily Code Snippet. Another type of background image that we should discuss is a hero image. A hero image is a large banner image that is prominently displayed on a web page. Usually it is front and center, and it is meant to grab the attention of the viewer so that they are directed to the content that is below it. In our example, we are loading our hero image into our header. As we scroll down, we see we have multiple articles with text wrapping around our images and 2 full browser width images as well. Here is the CSS. There are several elements to a hero image. Just like other background images, we should set a background color as a backup. Just like our other examples, it is a light gray color. And a hero image is not repeated. And we introduced 2 new properties, background position and background size. The former tells the browser how the image should display in the space given to it. In this case, it is centered. And we set the background size to cover, which means the image is resized to fill the entire container. Finally, we must set a height, and in this case we set it to 800 pixels. We have set the position to relative, but this is not related to it being a hero image. We set the position to relative so that we can absolutely position our text, our H1, in the top left corner. And this is the HTML we are working with. You can see that in addition to our hero image, we have 2 full browser width images that are used to visually break the content as we scroll down. We have bolded the HTML so it is easier to identify. As previous, the placeholder text has been truncated. The section content is constrained to 80% of our browser width, and we have several images floated both to the left and right that our text will wrap around. Since we are not constraining all our content for this example, we have removed the container element. Instead, certain sections have the rule constrain the width to 80% of the browser width. Here's the CSS for our browser-wide images. And here is how that would visually display again. Presented by Designers Learn Code.